Okay, I'm Todd with Mr. Rooter Plumbing in North Central Indiana, and today we're going to be demonstrating a tankless water heater flush. Depending on the quality of your waters, how often you want to flush it, whether if you got some hard water, I recommend every 6 months. If you got soft water, you could go a year and be fine. If you don't flush, you'll find yourself coming down to turn up the thermostat all the time because your water's going to be harder and harder to heat with all the buildup in the unit. So today basically we're going to use 3 gallons of distilled white vinegar, and you have to have these valves right here installed on your unit or else you're not going to be able to do the flush, and you'll have to have those installed prior to flushing. So to get started here, I've got a sump pump with a garden hose attachment on it for some washing machine hoses. So what we're going to do is disconnect the power, turn off the gas, turn off the hot and cold supply, and we're going to hook our washer hoses up right here. If you do the flushes as recommended about once a year, these units could last up to 20 years if they're treated properly. Alright, so now we get all the vinegar in the bucket. I'm going to turn on these 2 valves, get a little bit of water back in your bucket, not much. And now we will plug in the sump pump. You don't want to use a sump pump that you've used for sewage, because you probably don't want that in your water lines. So now when I plug it in, the white vinegar is going to go through the sump pump up into the whole system. It's going to come out the hot side and right back into my bucket so we can keep cycling it. So we'll get started. And you want to let this run for about 45 minutes to an hour.